Hello and welcome back to Coastal Crafts. So I'm coming on with a swap today. So rather than a giveaway entry, this time it's a swap. So lovely Dawn from Shiny Silver. Oh my word, Kitty, contacted me via email and said, did I fancy doing a loaded envelope swap? And of course I said yes, because I've been on half term this week, so I'd have endless amounts of time, I thought, to get this achieved, and it is, I would say, 90% done. Sorry, the cat's here and I feel too bad to move him. I'll try and move him in a second. So yes, yours will be posted out soon. I can't say if I would post it today because already looking at the time, it's not going in the right direction, but soon. So she sent me, right, Bailey, come on then, my kitty boo. Oh, you sit on my chair then. So she has sent me this gorgeous card, and I saw her make this on her channel, so you can have a look on her channel if you want to see how she made it, because she used some of the items from the Craft Box, which is an online subscription service, and I haven't subscribed to it, but I have had one of their boxes, which was as a result of Dawn, to be honest, because I saw her channel and it made me go and get one. And I haven't had this box, but it's lovely to see an item from on there, or some items from the box, because it just gives you a real feel for what you're getting when you subscribe to the box or when you get the box. And I have been thinking I might get another one. It's just one of those like indulgent treats. Dawn's one of those people though who subscribes to it every month, so if you are interested to see what the other boxes contain, do go and have a look. Let's open it up. So thank you for doing a swap with me. I didn't really do a theme, but did decide to do a blue loaded pocket letter, and any packaging I made I also stuck to blue. Hope you like everything I sent and look forward to future swaps, which I will also look forward to. But I would say that my loaded envelope is slightly on a colour theme, except it's a colour theme that I don't normally use, so I've sort of gone a bit out of the box. But you will see, probably more likely on her channel than on mine. I don't tend to post my own sending outs, but yes, let's have a look at this. Gorgeous. She always wraps them beautifully, and any damaging to packaging I would blame more on the postal service than on her. That ribbon is absolutely gorgeous, so that will be kept. Let's have a look. I don't know which is which, but do you know what? She said blue, so let's go for the blue parcel first. Just wanted to open more ribbon. Isn't it pretty? So, lots of lovely tissue paper. It's like my birthday. Although, people don't always wrap your presents as nicely as this, do they? Crafters always wrap presents very well. And then you get craft people like me who are absolutely terrible at opening it. Right, that's just a horrendous fail. So much for any saving of packaging. That just died a death. This does not look like the loaded envelope. This looks like lots of goodies. So I'm actually going to open the second one. Wow. Oh, I'm looking at it and thinking this looks very similar to the one that I've made in the way that she's made it. I have these things, I'm like, oh, we've made them in the same way. I like that because it means I possibly know what I'm doing. Oh, that little peggy's broken. But look how cute those pegs are. Wow, she's put so much effort into this. I love that. Look at a cute little, just picking up as I'm seeing it, a cute little post-it note set and little pencil. That's so cute. That's the kind of thing to take to school and all the kids will be like, I want one. Oh, this is gorgeous, isn't it? Look at this. That's the other part of that peg that broke, so I can take it off. Look at this loaded envelope, and it is slightly different to mine in the dimensions now I come to look at it, but it is absolutely gorgeous, and I love the blue. I'm just going to take off bits as I see them. Gorgeous blue ribbon. It's so silky soft. And then look at this, all those different washi tape samples. And I have got rings like this, so I know how to open them. I'm so clever, I know how to open them. Look at that, different washi tape samples. And I don't know if that's a die that she's got to hold the washi tape, or that's something that she's purchased or gained somehow. Gorgeous, aren't they? Some of them I reckon nice. I love that one. You'll have to tell me where that washi tape comes from. That's gorgeous because it's got seahorse on it. We know I love anything seasidey. So inside here, she's very generously put, a Pawsome Prince, a little dog related. I haven't got this one. I am now getting, I used to think, oh, it's terrible that people could possibly not know what they actually own. And now I have finally got to that stage where I'm not entirely sure what I own. Fairly sure I don't own this paper pad. 99% sure. And then there's a little hoarder part of me that's not 100% sure. But isn't it gorgeous? That's a cat. I thought it was all dogs. It's good that it's a cat. Oh, look at that. And it's got pugs on it. I love pugs. Never owned a pug. And Dalmatians. Never owned a Dalmatian. Looked after my friends. A bit of a handful. Little sausage dog. Oh, and a mouse. That is gorgeous, isn't it? It's actually a really nice paper pad. So that is so super cute. Look how deep that is, that pocket. And the lovely decorations she has added there. Let's delve into it. Really cute little jewels and these lovely butterflies. I love these. I've got some of every crafts a pound, but mine are a complete different colour scheme. You can't really see very well there, but that's actually a nice green and brown. Oh, sequin trim. Do love my sequin trim. And then look, she's made some gorgeous flowers. Rolled flowers. They're lovely, aren't they? I've got some rolling dies. And then beautiful gems. What a generous person. Those are utterly gorgeous, aren't they? And I love my bling. That pocket is, wow, look how deep that pocket is. Just thinking my pocket's just not that deep. I'll take these bits out. That is beautiful, isn't it? I really like that. And the paper that's used to make that is really nice. Oh, look at these wooden butterfly elements. Love it. Spectrum Noir Colorista pad. That's something that I've never owned. That's gorgeous, isn't it? That's probably a kind of like a cardinal, an American bird. Is it? Kookaburra? Who knows? I probably should know, but I don't. It's nice the way it's foiled. I'm not going into these too deeply because I'm aware of the time on my phone, which soon I will have a new phone. That's lovely. Apple for the teacher. Some gorgeous peel-offs and stickers. Gorgeous mermaid stickers. Love it. There's so much stuff here. It's insane, isn't it? And we go to the other side and oh, look at these beautiful die cuts. Love them. I can't bring myself to open them because they're packaged so beautifully. Oh, and then same ones, but not the same ones, but I mean more die cuts, but in craft. Gorgeous. More die cuts. That's very generous. They're beautiful, aren't they? And more die cuts, except these ones look like they come with a bit of a notebook. We're going to have to open it, aren't we? We're going to have to, because we're not going to get the full appreciation if we don't do that. So let's open it out. So beautiful. It looked like kind of like hunky-dory ones. And then she's made, which way is it open? Oh, look at that. That's so cute, isn't it? It looks like she's made this notebook. I think she's made it. Beautiful. Oh, that's so clever, isn't it? I really like that. Just have a go at making something like that with that little closing bit. That's absolutely beautiful. Then she's put some lovely napkins in. We know I love my decoupage. I like the way there's like Aboriginal people there getting up to whatever they want to be getting up to. And some rub-ons. Thank you. Always a very useful sentiment. So that is an amazing, amazing swap with Dawn from Shiny Silver. So if you're not already subscribed to her channel, and her channel, not your own channel, her channel, and I'm sure you already are, then you need to go and subscribe because look at the beautiful things she is making. That is going to be some crafty inspiration just there. And do look out, Dawn. Mine will be very soon on the way. If it's not posted today, it'll be posted tomorrow. And then I'm away at the weekend kayaking. Be fun, won't it? And back at school on Monday. So see you all soon. Bye.